you're under contract to buy a home, chances are you're getting a mortgage loan to finance it. Since you have to play nice and follow the lender's rules to get that money, today I'm covering things that can absolutely sabotage your mortgage loan and prevent you from closing on your home. I am Bethany, and I have been a realtor in Columbia, South Carolina for 19 years. Welcome to my channel. If you want to make your home buying journey easier, hit subscribe and keep listening. The first thing that can absolutely sabotage your mortgage loan is lying or just flat out omitting information from your loan application. Guys, really want to encourage you, you are not going to slip one by your mortgage underwriter. Whether you are just flat out omitting information that you know exists, or you're just lying about something on your application or what you provide to the underwriter afterwards, they are going to find out that you have either lied, provided them with inaccurate information, or that you have just not disclosed something. Underwriters do this every day. They are accustomed to doing deep dives and very detailed investigation into people's finances and financial lives, investments, bank accounts, any financial decision that you make, they're gonna find it. Do yourself and your mortgage officer and your underwriter a favor and just be honest up front. Fill your application out accurately to the absolute best of your knowledge and ability. And when your underwriter comes back with follow-up questions and needing follow-up information, provide it to them, be honest, be accurate, and don't leave anything out. They're gonna find it eventually. The second thing that can sabotage your mortgage loan is making changes to your job. You always want to run major life events that affect your money, your banking, your finances, your investments, your real estate holdings, your employment by your loan officer. There could be some instances where making a change in employment is not going to have a negative impact on you, but there are absolutely times where it can impact you and impact you to an extent that you will not be able to purchase that home that you were hoping to. The third thing that could sabotage your loan is by making deposits that your lender can't trace. Listen, this is a big deal breaker, especially if it's large amounts of money, cash deposits, or you can't make any kind of explanation for where money has come from in your bank account. The underwriter is going to see that money come into your account. If you can't trace it, can't provide written documentation about where that money came from and what it is for, that could be an underwriting condition, underwriting hurdle that you are not able to overcome, and your loan could be denied. And that's because the underwriter might view that untraceable money as a potential loan, and that makes you look like a risky loan candidate. And it makes the bank, the underwriter, say, well, what other loans could be out there that we are not aware of? That is a surefire way to give yourself a ton of headache during the mortgage process, and surefire way to possibly get your loan denied. The fourth thing that could absolutely sabotage your mortgage loan is taking out new credit of any kind, whether it is a personal loan, an equity line of credit on current real estate holdings, refinancing something that you have, or even just getting a store credit card at American Eagle or Ann Taylor Loft or Bath & Body Works, wherever it may be. You absolutely do not want to take out any new credit of any kind. And if you have a financial need, that includes car loans. Before I forget, that includes car loans too. That's a new credit, new line of credit. If you have a financial need that is going to require you to change your credit situation, the first thing you need to do is to pick up the phone and call your loan officer, and you need to discuss that with them and see if there's any way that you can make that happen without jeopardizing your mortgage loan. And don't forget to loop your real estate agent in too. The fifth thing that can absolutely sabotage your mortgage loan is forgetting to make a payment. Whether it's willful or unintentional, we are trying to show excellent behavior, excellent financial behavior to the bank when we are under contract for a home, we're trying to get a mortgage loan. And if you are willfully or accidentally forgetting to make your payments, that does not make you look like a responsible financial candidate for a mortgage loan, and it could jeopardize your ability to close on the home. The sixth thing that could sabotage your mortgage loan is co-signing for a loan for someone else. If you co-sign for a loan, you have essentially opened up a new form of credit for yourself We talked about this already. No matter how big or small it is, underwriting is eventually going to come back and catch that, and you could very easily get denied. The seventh way that you could sabotage your mortgage loan is by transferring your assets between different banks or different accounts. This is a big red flag for lenders. If you have a financial need, I always encourage you, no matter what it is, if you need to move money around, open an account, close an account, transfer things between banks or accounts at the same institution, pick up the phone, call your loan officer, tell them what's going on, loop them into the conversation so that they can help you still keep your mortgage loan on track and accomplish whatever other financial needs that you have. And last but not least, the eighth thing that could sabotage your mortgage loan is closing accounts out. This can have an impact on your credit score as well. You don't want to close active accounts out. And while you're under contract to buy a home, when you're trying to get financing for that purchase, I really can't see much of a need to close an account while you're under contract. If it's paid off, that's different than closing an account. Paying it off, closing it off, not necessarily the same thing. Again, just always run that by your mortgage loan officer. Make sure you keep them in the loop, that they understand what's going on and they can give you great advice on how to proceed forward. Guys, thanks for listening. I hope that this makes your real estate journey easier. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe for more content on homebuyer education and Columbia, South Carolina real estate. Check the description for links to more resources and my contact information if I can help you with your real estate needs.